All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Mo. Welcome back to FX Fabric. And as usual, we do a daily analysis of all the markets. Right now, we are looking at US100. And let's do a breakdown and see what should we expect today. Where should we have sales or buys? But for those who have been following this market, I think sales will be very, very weird. But anyway, yeah, let's get into it. We won't waste time on the weekly. From the daily, you can see I've drawn my trend lines here. I have a weekly trend line which is in purple here going on. These gray zones you can see, those are my supply and demand zones, big supply and demand zones from the weekly and daily. And you can see an inner trend line which it drew here. And what do we expect? We expect market to come back and touch this level and then continue up. But in the meantime, guys, when you're in a strong uptrend and you're not sure whether you are having buys, don't sell. Don't sell unless you are a pro. But if you are an intermediate trader or a beginner, stop selling in uptrends, guys. Stop selling in uptrends. You will lose money. That's just it. So on the daily, you can see that yesterday the market moves up and failed to break through the previous high, the previous recent high. You can see here, failed to break through it and got rejected immediately back to this level. So today we are trying to push back up. Maybe we shall push and break through that high today. But if I am trading today, the best thing I would do is to target this high, because you can't be sure, guys. You can't be sure whether we shall break it or not. But the best thing you can have is the bias that we are pushing to that direction. You understand? And you can see this area. It's an area we rejected. So I indicated it on the lower time frame. It says a demand zone. So let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, guys, same story. We are looking at a strong uptrend, which we shouldn't play around with selling. If you're selling in this market, you have to be careful and you have to get in out and out very fast. That is for the pros. Guys, if you're not a pro yet, don't waste your time. Okay? So yeah, on the 4-hour time frame, guys, you can see I already indicated my support zones. Why I actually call them zones. I think you've noticed support zones, and many times they coincide with my supply and demand zones. Exactly. So as you can see, guys, from September, we've been moving up, consolidated around here, moved up again, then touched this area, and you can see, guys, if you know, look at this area, why we rejected this area, came back down here, and then stopped at around this area. Reasons are very simple, guys. Markets, whenever they move and create a base somewhere, market always comes back to retest those bases, right? But in this case, we are looking at a resistance line which we rejected and then took off, came back to retest it. We didn't touch it, rejected it, and then continued back up. So this week we moved and created a base here, and if you know supply and demand, you already know that, but you can see that the market was moving in the downtrend here, small downtrend, came back to this support area of support, a resistance area, and then pushed back up, came back to retest it to create support again here, and then pushed back up. It pushed back up, created a base, continued to push back up, created another base here, but you can see how it struggled to break through this previous high. Struggled for actually several days. Let me see, how long did it take here? From Wednesday up to Wednesday, up to Monday. Yeah, up to Monday this week. So it struggled, but on Monday it broke through it and then continued back up. But look at how the speed at which it came back into this zone, into this area after breaking through this previous high. Very massive speed, came back here and then it's preparing to take off. One thing you guys should know about US30 and US100, they don't take off before taking out liquidity at certain areas. Let me show you guys this area. If you look carefully, we have a rally, base, and then a rally. So which base should you consider? What you should know, in most cases we consider the most recent base, but look at where this base was formed. It was formed at a near high, very recent high here, broke through it and then came back and broke through it with a massive engulfing candle, engulfing 1, 2, 3, almost 4 candles. So came back to settle down here, and then that means that it has when you saw this candle, massive red candle here, which never got rejected immediately, because if it's going to get rejected, this candle would have been rejected immediately and took off back up. It never got rejected immediately, got closed into this base and continued to form another red candle here, which continued down to break through this area. That just shows you that this base has been violated, and right now we should be considering the second base below here. So you can see it. I created this yellow line. Look at how it came back, respected it, and then took off back again. So today actually I have a trade which is still waiting. I got in here. Oh, sorry, yeah, I got in here yesterday, and I'm still holding. I'm targeting these highs here, you see, and my stop loss was around here, yeah, at around a 2.5 position. So I'm still holding to achieve those highs. But guys, this is one thing you should know about US100. Don't rush into the market just like that, unless you're scalping and you're not holding for long. But if you're going to hold a trade, let's say throughout the day, make sure that you get your trade from the right place. For example, somebody would have taken a trade from here. Let me remove this guy, I will add him later. Somebody would have taken a trade from here, but I wouldn't advise that, because where is your stop loss going to be? You are going to have a very bad stop loss, very big stop loss, because you can't place the stop loss here. Guys, you can't place the stop loss here. There is a lot of liquidity which needs to be taken out here. You can see a lot of liquidity left here which needs to be taken out. And okay, let's say you target these highs over here. You have a 2.3, right? But if you place your stop loss here for a 2.3, all odds are against you, because look at this area. It's just what can I say? It's these big banks, it's itching them to come out and take you out from here before they take off. So the best place to place a trade, at least to be safe, just place a buy stop here, and market will fill you in. You place a good stop loss right below this zone, and then a take profit up here. Yeah, and stay safe. Market doesn't take you in, you don't have a trade for that day. Guys, you're not supposed to trade every day. If market doesn't take you in, you don't have a trade unless you catch it. You should wait for New York Open, because many times New York Open happens here when it has come back to this area to take out all small traders. Especially at New York Open, it will play around here, push below, and you think the market is going for a downtrend, and then 30 minutes after the open, it starts to take off. So even during New York Open, don't just rush into the market. Wait to see how it reacts around these zones. If it fails to reject this zone and then continues down here, you have no trade. Chill it out, go and drink something, have a nice day, maybe play tennis or something, whatever your hobby is. Step away from the market, guys. Wait for the next day. So I've broken down a lot. I don't know what else to say to you guys, because I've told you everything today, what we expect. So what we expect, I would recommend you guys place a buy stop here at this zone and target these highs. You see, target these highs and then place your stop loss around here. This is on the hourly. You see, guys, place the stop loss around here. But when the market comes back and you catch it here, yeah, you can enter and not use a buy stop, right? So this is the area we're expecting to take off from. If you don't come back here, guys, we have no trades. Don't waste your time. You see, actually I entered here yesterday and I'm still in this trade holding. Let's see how it will play out. I will give you an update today, maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow is a Saturday, so Monday, God willing, I'll give you an update. And guys, don't forget that I do mentorship. If you want to learn how to catch these sniper entries, if you want to learn the best, not just basics, but the best strategies of supply and demand, how to combine supply, demand, support, resistance, and trend lines to make money off the market, just check out the description in our channel description. I have all my links there. You can find my Telegram channel there. You can also find my Telegram account. Yeah, shoot me a message and get to me, and we can see what we can do. I have a mentorship course every month. It's a monthly payment. I take you throughout the whole month, giving you materials to study, monitoring your trades, and breaking down with you. Yeah, and I also do trade management, account management. Yeah, if you have trouble making money, you are new in this area but you want to invest, yeah, you go and create your account on somewhere, deposit your money there, and then we can help you to trade with it and share profits. So guys, that was for today. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to come back on Monday to check out for new updates and new analysis for that day. Okay guys, that was your boy today. Have a great day. Bye bye.